Assalamu alaikum. My presentation topic is bail. My name is Masum Rida. ID 181262110. Bail. The term is not defined under CRPC. Bail is a kind of security which is given by the accused of the court that his attitude of proceeding against the accused made upon him to include person bond of bail. Bail is amchat is mid-tone and sure that the accused is person before the court. The bail is section 52. So let's discuss section 496. In hot case, bail is to be taken when any person accused of non-bailable offence arrested and detention without warrant or offence is charged of a police station brought before court and under per day any time usually cost of such offence or proceeded before such court to give bail. The person shall be released to bail. Section 497. When bail may be taken include of non-bailable offence. When any person accused of non-bailable offence is arrested without warrant by an offence includes of police station or both before the court, he may be released of bail. Any person under the age of 60 years of any woman or such person accused of such offence be released of bail. Section 497. When bails may be taken include of non-bailable offence. When any person accused of non-bailable offence is arrested without warrant by an offence include of police station or before the court, he may be released of bail. Any person under the age of 60 years of women or any such person accused of such offence released of bail. In the consequence of the case state if it's appeal to the to that are not reasonable ground of beliefs to the accused is committed and on but the sufficient ground of future includes into his will the accused guidelines such include the release of bail. An offence or court release in a person on bail under subsection 1 or subsection 2 shall record his release of doing so. Section 498. Power of direct ambition of bail or regarding of bail. The ambition of every bond will be executed to shall be fixed due regards to courts of case. Any shall not accuse the High Court division or court of session if may that the appeal or convocation or not directly that the bail or of bail regarding by the police officer of magistrate required. Section 499. Bond of accused and sureties. Before any person is released on bail or released on his own bond, a bond of such sum of money as the police office or court thanks sufficient shall be exceeded by. Thank you.